TNXP stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock of buying. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in the space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years. And when I say this, I've actually done like what I've said. It's all my YouTube channel, so I've seen what's printing and what's not. The biggest factor here regarding TNXP is I began buying this, I think this was March. Let's check actually, by the way. Well, here says 25th of April. So 25th, 24th is when the video was made. And it was 17.10. We took it from 17.10, reached a $50 mark, and on the way up I got like 3 additional longs. 4 actually, but this sort of gapped up, so it didn't quite give me rules. It just kind of gapped up, but bias was so correct. So with the current price action that I got, I'm looking for a very similar thing now. You know what I mean? Like, here's my demand zone, here's the top, and only if the price pulls down and gives me some sort of a shift and a double break, then I'm taking advantage of this and hopefully buying. But like randomly buying, bro, it's not going to be happening. You know what I mean? So all I'm doing in the meantime, waiting for rules. If you want to get my money making emails and insights, I want to stay tuned with TNXP. Click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.